My name is Tilo Kölbel. I'm a vascular surgeon from Hamburg University Hospital, and I am co-director of this meeting, Aortic Live 2018, which is just happening now in Essen in Germany. Fusion in endovascular surgery is of great importance as it makes the procedures easier, but much more because it makes visible what is happening in the operator's mind, because all the team is seeing the branches, the target vessels, and can understand the intended landing zones of our endografts. There's a number of different areas where CT fusion improves endovascular surgery. One area is radiation safety. We have learned that we can reduce the number of DSAs using fusion imaging because we have a constant information about the position of our target vessels, and a few more. We were able to decrease the amount of contrast agent. But what is even more important is that CT fusion gives information to the whole team. Usually the operator who has planned the procedure is aware of the position of the target vessels, the landing zones, etc. But with fusion we can make that information visible for all members of the team. So we create a completely different situation where everybody knows what's happening right now and can help the operator to achieve the goal. I'm just learning about the Cydar system right now, so I got a first impression of using Cydar in the first week. And what impressed me is the ease of use of the system. As the operator, I just need to press a button and I get the anatomical marks visible in my OR. And this is maybe more important for other places than my institution, where we actually have a dedicated person working on the segmentation with the current system. But I imagine that in hospitals where you do not have such a staff available, this makes it much easier for the operator, who's usually limited in time. On the other hand, the much I understand of the technology is that Cydar registers the fusion very frequently throughout the procedure by recognizing the structure of the vertebrae. So it's not a manually done registration, but it's a computer registration. So this is happening continuously throughout the operation, so that doesn't need to be somebody to do that for you. It was very easy to integrate into the workflow because there's no difficulty. You just have to upload the images at a time of your preference, and then when you come to the OR, you can select the case and start the procedure. Everybody was quite interested and enthusiastic, and what people liked very much was the type of layout, that you not get the full vessel anatomy, but you just get the outline and the target vessels displayed. This is exactly what the surgeon wants to see, and the remarks I got from my colleagues was that that was very positive. I think we have come already quite far with fusion imaging because it is integrated into the OR. And hopefully one of the shortcomings of fusion technology, which is the deformation that is caused by stiff wires and introduction systems, will be taken away by some smart software which will enable us to get the fusion in the way that the vessel really looks when the stiff system is inside.